Meaning of Jesus Christ Superstar.
Jesus Christ Superstar.
Jesus Christ Superstar.
Jesus Christ Superstar.
Jesus Christ Superstar. Jesus Christ Superstar is a rock opera that tells the story of Jesus Christ's final week leading up to his crucifixion, as seen through the eyes of Judas Iscariot. The name itself refers to Jesus Christ being portrayed as a superstar, a celebrity figure with a massive following. The musical was written by Andrew Lloyd Webber and Tim Rice, and it premiered on Broadway in 1971. It has since become a classic and has been performed all over the world.